Hello, everybody. My name's Rick McCutcheon. I'm a Microsoft Dynamics MVP, and today on Partner Talks, I have a return guest, Kelly Mazur from Evenica. Kelly, tell the people who you are and all about Evenica.
Yeah, thanks for having me back. I am the marketing director at Evenica, where I lead the marketing strategy, Microsoft partnership, and brand alignment. And Evenica is a Microsoft partner that focuses on commerce. I also run the marketing professional meetup group at Dynamics User Group, which I think we'll be talking about today as well.
And that's exactly what we're going to talk about. Let's talk a little bit about what we know as Doug and the user community, and let's talk about your involvement and why it's important to you.
Yeah, community is everything. We learn together, we grow together, and we also win together. And I think when we approach business with a abundant mindset, with the understanding that there's enough clients and work for all of us, that it removes the barriers and sense of competition. And I truly believe that all Microsoft partners are stronger when we work together. Evenica operates on a partner-to-partner model, and I love that Dynamics User Group brings this sense of community together where we all get to learn together and continue growing.
So Kelly, tell us a little bit about the marketing professionals group that you chair.
Yeah, so this is my third year leading the Marketing Professionals Meetup group, and I'm particularly excited for the events we have planned for 2025. I've got Marie Weiss and Monica Hoyer, as well as yourself, which have been heavily involved in helping me make sure that we have valuable content and discussions this year. And I've also been a speaker at previous Dynamics Con and Dynamics Con virtual events, and I've learned so much from attending these various regional and virtual meetup groups. And I just want to continue to foster that community where we can learn.
And talk about community. We've got a big event coming up in Chicago in May. Let's talk a little bit about PME. And I know your group is a big supporter of that event.
Yeah, I'm so excited for this year's event in Chicago. Last November, you and I were invited to attend the Doug Leader Retreat, which was held in the same venue that Dynamics Con and the Partner Marketing event are going to be held at this year. And when we were there, you and I were able to tour the space where the event's taking place. And I was absolutely blown away by the venue. And I think attendees are in for a real treat this year. Not only are the facilities outstanding, but the location's right in the heart of Chicago. This is going to be a fantastic week we're going to have in May.
And this is our third partner marketing event. We had the first one in Scottsdale. We had around 50 marketers last year. We had around 75 in Denver. I think this year we're going to be well over 100 marketers. And I got to tell you, the agenda that Kelly, that you helped put together is world-class, especially if you're a Microsoft partner and you want to market to Dynamics end users, or in a P2P situation where you're an ISV and you want to go, both to partners and to customers.
Mm-hmm. Last year was such an incredible event, and I left with pages and pages of notes and ideas from attending those sessions. And what I particularly enjoyed about the last two partner marketing events was the collaboration and the sense of openness amongst attendees. We had such great discussions and lots of open discussion where people were brainstorming solutions for each other's marketing concerns. And last year's content also introduced a Microsoft partnership component where we learned about how to achieve alignment with Microsoft and take advantage of their different programs and benefits. And I'm really excited to see more of that content on this year's agenda as well.
And we're also going to see the MSDynamicsWorld marketing survey results, which were a big hit last year. This is where they go out to their customers and partners and find out, how do you market? How do you like to be marketed to? So that data is always incredibly useful. And I've got to say that the event is starting to really change, because the first year we had a lot of speakers who were telling people what they need to do, whereas we realized soon that these are very experienced people. We want to tell them a little bit about what we want to do, what they should do, but we really want to hear what they're doing and have an open conversation. And I think, like last year was, like you said, is tremendous. And I'm really looking forward to this year.
Yeah, I mean, I have to ask though, do you know how many steps you got in that day? Because we're running around that room with the microphone because there was just so many people sitting in the audience that were participating in these conversations that, we just had such a great back and forth between the presenters and the attendees. And it was just such a wonderful thing. And I think anyone who works within sales and marketing at a Microsoft partner would have just great value from attending this event. And although it's very much marketing focused, I think anyone in business development may find value in this as well. And if it's a smaller partner, and maybe anyone, executives or founders at small partners who might not have an in-house marketing team, would also benefit from being there.
Okay. Well, Kelly, I'm going to put all the links to everything we discussed in this post for this Partner Talks. And I just want to let people know, if you join Kelly's marketing group, there are some discount codes available for PME as part of the marketing group. And if you join, then reach out to Kelly and she can let you know what they are. Kelly, thanks for your time. And any closing thoughts on PME?
Absolutely. So the agenda is now live, so please go take a look at it. Some of the highlights that I think we're very excited about. There's a lot of content about utilizing educational content during the buying process. You talked about the MSDW annual survey results. That's always a huge topic for us. There's also a lot around AppSource optimization, case study strategies, and event marketing. So it's going to be a great day of learning. If you do join the partner marketing event or you join the marketing professionals group, if you have any questions about this, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help and also provide you with that discount code for the partner marketing event.
Okay, Kelly, thanks for your time and looking forward to getting together in Chicago in May.
Thanks, Rick.
Bye for now.